June 2024 GCE Ordinary Level Question 6. Hello everyone, you're welcome to this tutorial session on Math with Ella. So we are going to be solving this question on matrices, and the question reads, given the matrices A and B defined as such, find 2A and B. Given that 2A is equal to B, find the values of X and Y. So without wasting so much time, let's go straight ahead to solve this GCE Ordinary Level question. So solution, we've been given two matrices A and B, and we'll be asked to find 2A. So the first part, we just have to apply our knowledge of multiplying a matrix by a scalar, because 2 here is a scalar. So 2A will just simply be multiplying the entire matrix A by the scalar 2. So writing out the matrix A, we have 3, x plus 1, 2, and 5. Multiplying matrices by a scalar is simply multiply each entry by the scalar given. So multiplying each entry, we're going to have 2 times 3, 2 times x plus 1, 2 times 2, and 2 plus 2 times 5. And we obtain 2 times 3, 6, 2, 2 into x plus 1, 2 times 2, 4, and 2 times 5, 10. And that's it for the first part of the question. The second part, we've been asked to find x and y, given that 2A is equal to the matrix B. So we are going to apply our knowledge of equality of matrices here. Equality of matrices, that's the idea, that's the concept being evaluated here. So B, we've been given that 2A is equal to B. So we write out the two matrices and see how we equate their components. 2A is the answer we got from the first part. So you definitely have to get the first answer right, because that's the answer you eventually be using to solve the B part of the question. So it's necessary to get the A part right. So the B, which is B here, we have 6, 14, 4, y minus x. Okay, so equality of matrices. When we are equating matrices, we simply equate corresponding entries. That is, this to this, this to this, this to this, and this to this. We equate corresponding entries. So therefore, if you just look at this, we see that 6 is equal to 6. So this entry is the same as this entry here. Next thing will be to equate this entry to this entry. So we have 2 into x plus 1 being equal to 14. And from here, you already realize that this is a linear equation in terms of x, and you can already get x from here. This is going to give us 2x plus 2 equal 14. Open up this bracket. That is 2 times x, 2x, and 2 times 1, 2. This is going to give us 2x being equal to 14 minus 2. Again, this positive 2 crosses the equal sign to the right hand side. It becomes a negative 2. 2x is equal to 14 minus 2. That's 12. And dividing both sides by 2, we obtain x being equal to 6. So we've gotten the value of x. The next thing will be to get the value of y. We proceed just as we did to get the value of x. We equate corresponding entries. So looking at this, we have 4 is equal to 4. That is row 1 column 2 is equal to row 1 column 2 in the second matrix. And so 10 should be equal to y minus x. 10 is equal to y minus x. We are equating entries here because of this condition that was given. 2a is equal to b. Now we already obtained x. Yeah, we got the value of x, so we simply substitute it here and then we get y. So 10 is equal to y minus x, and x is 6. So 10 plus 6 is equal to y. In this case, the 6, negative 6 crosses to the left hand side becomes a positive 6 because we want to isolate y, and therefore 16 is equal to y, the same as writing that y is equal to 16. So that is it. We've obtained our values for x and y. X is equal to 6 and y is equal to 16. So that is it for this question. That is all we needed to do. Thank you so much for watching. Please do follow our page and consider sharing so that this content can reach out to as many learners as possible. And until I come your way again, remain blessed.